Every manufacturer of truck body panels faces the challenge of cutting GRP plastic from rolls into sheets. This task must be carried out not only with high precision, but also without generating dust, in order to avoid surface damage caused by hard particles during pressing. We are pleased to introduce our GRP cutting unit, an automatic system designed specifically for this process. The machine is equipped with a holder for 4 rolls of plastic, an automated length measurement and control system, a guillotine cutter, and a rewinding device that allows the operator to conveniently retrieve the cut sheet as a roll and transfer it to the vacuum presses for further processing. This solution delivers excellent cutting accuracy. For a sheet length of 10 meters, the maximum deviation does not exceed 5 millimeters. Such precision ensures efficient use of materials and reliable production quality. Our team is currently developing a new plastic rewinding system that will allow you to roll cut plastic either face out or face in. This innovation will make handling plastic rolls easier and more efficient during sandwich panel production, improving both workflow and material management. We invite you to follow our work on our YouTube channel and share your comments, helping us better understand your needs and further improve our equipment. We'll be delighted to receive your smart and creative ideas, and we'll make sure to bring them to life.